welcome back to the channel. So today's gonna be a super basic YouTube starter pack get ready with me video. I'm gonna be showing you how to do this glowy, sun-kissed, look like you just got a tan look. I would say my everyday, like if I'm gonna really do my makeup. There's days I honestly don't wear makeup, but when I do, you know, I feel like I have to say this. It is a little hard for me to do sit down talking videos sometimes because if I do it at nighttime, you guys will hear the cookies. But in the daytime, I live in Puerto Rico, so you're gonna hear merengue, salsa, reggaeton. You're gonna hear cars beeping. You're gonna hear people like, ah, ¿qué te pasa? You know, you're gonna hear that. This is part of it. We're gonna pretend like you're sitting in my living room or my room and I'm just doing my makeup and talking with you and just like, you know. Alright, so I got my eyebrows done and I have a little bit of the exfoliator thing on my hair. I do have a brows tutorial video. I still do them the same, but I mean. So, for my primers, I like to use this Hydra Touch primer. And then this one here just covers up my pores. This one's to moisturize, where it's more like watery, and this one is thicker, so. Now this primer, I concentrate it around the areas where I have my pores showing the most, which is in this area right here. Thanks to hormones, I got these nasty little things on my face, but you know what, we're gonna pretend like they're out there. Because of course I left my Fenty foundation back at my mom's house. This is the holy grail that you guys always see on the channel. Every time I film, this is like the one I use. I'm in the color 228. I like to dot it on my face. Oh yeah, and they also have more than just 3 dark colors, so. Guys, most of these products I use every single time in my makeup videos. I hope you guys don't get annoyed with me, but. Next is this concealer, which is a Master Conceal Camouflaging whatever in the color medium. I'm just gonna squeeze some on my hand and dot that under my eyes. Next, can you guess what bronzer I'm gonna use? Yeah, you guessed right. It's the Hoola Benefit Bronzer. What bronzer do you guys recommend? Because I just use this one. Bronzer is one of the very important parts of this look. This is what's gonna help you look like you just got a sun-kissed tan. I be getting cat hairs in my eyes all the time. Make sure to go up the sides a little bit, like near your hairline. Now there's reggaeton. I got some translucent powder. This is literally the same translucent powder from every video, guys. Don't expect anything new from me. And this is a NYC, just in case you're new here. NYC translucent powder. And I honestly dust it on to make sure that this doesn't crease up. And then also like a little bit on my forehead to avoid like sweating or shining later on. I'll grab a little bit of the concealer, something I've been doing just to like clean up the line a little bit. Alright, already you can see there's a little bit of a difference now. Blush is the next very important step that will make it look like you got a nice tan. I used to hate blush, but now I really like it. And there's a little trick that I do with the blush to make it look like you literally just got a tan. So I use this color right here. Put my cheeks like this, right? Do that. I'll put it more towards like this end, and then I'll take a little bit on the brush and put it like right on my nose bridge. Very lightly though, like not too much. I think it just looks cute. It adds like a little, like, I mean, if you're not into it, it's okay, but I just like doing it. Don't go ham on it. I mean, if you want, go ahead, but. Next is highlight. Normally, I'll use this highlighter from this palette, but if you want a nice natural glow, NYX Liquid Highlighter in the color Daytime Halo. So good. I'm gonna show you guys. So you're gonna use your beauty blender. So a dot on the middle of my nose and then like the bridge of my nose. I'll go in with the blush again, just a little bit, and kind of like in the cheeks. I also like to add some under my eyebrows. You can take a little bit more of the blush if you feel like you covered it up too much. Now for the eyes, I took a little bit of the highlighter. You can take a gold metallic, lipstick, a jumbo pencil. You can take the lid metallics that are going to be in my giveaway. And I'll apply a little bit like that on my lid. Like that. I'll grab a brush and kind of just blend it out. Since I wanted this look to be softer, I used the highlighter because I liked the color it had. I'll go in with the bronzer, which if you want like a very neutral eye look, use your bronzer as your, like in your crease. For the eyes, lately I've just been rocking my own natural lashes. So I'm gonna take my eyelash curler. And then, you guys know that I swore by the telescopic mascara. I ran out of all my favorite mascaras. I broke the telescopic mascara brush. The brush is what makes a difference. Like, it combs it the way it should. This one, my aunt gave it to me. I really don't even know what brand it is. But the brush is pretty good. And I've just been using this for now. And I like to go from root to tip. And I'll do that first coat, just concentrating everything on the roots of my lashes. I wish I had my brother's lashes though. Like, my brother has the longest, thickest eyelashes, and it's like, you're a dude, man. You're a straight guy. Like, why do you even need that, you know? You know how you have like a favorite eyebrow? I think this is my favorite eyebrow, and this is my favorite set of eyelashes. You guys already know if you watch my favorites video that I usually use this combo. But what I did, I took this Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the color Give Me Mocha since it ran out. It gives me very, very little like color. I just focused that on the very edges of my mouth, like the very, like almost if I'm like lip lining my lips with this. Sometimes I've like dipped my finger in blush and just like patted it on my lips. The important part is the gloss on top. This is of course the Fenty Gloss Bomb. Let's take the faux locks down. There's like one or two that I need to fix.